Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do assembly and a review on the Kedsum 2-wheel hand cart. Let's see what's inside the box. Assembly instructions, hardware, cart itself. So inside the box, get a pair of gloves, a couple of nuts, and a wrench. And wheels. These wheels are really nice and solid. They got a bearing. Pull those caps off. Install the wheels. Nut per side. And tighten it up. So some of the features on this, to extend this handle, you press this button, pull up. This tubing is solid and durable and thick. It can handle 360 pounds. It can move large items like furniture or appliances, washers, dryers, refrigerators, anything like that. Now this is definitely easy to store. Folds up and can easily put it away in the closet. Slides across the carpet smoothly with no restrictions. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. A few more key features. This handle here helps you pull it down. The wheels themselves don't take air, so they'll never go flat. Small wheels here, that helps it tilt when you get a heavy load, 360 pounds or less. And as I pointed out earlier, this is extremely solid, thick tubing, should never break. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find this. And again, if you like the video, hit that like button, leave me a comment, and again, thanks for watching.